The 114th General Assembly was gavelled into session at noon Central Time today.
As Tennessee lawmakers get back to work, we had a chance to sit down with Speaker Cameron Sexton back in July to chat about priorities in this new session. In the Senate, 6 Democrats and 27 Republicans took their seats. And in the House,
now in session. Will the members please stand with the visitors?
24 Democrats and 75 Republicans enjoyed the first day back ceremony before getting to work.
Well, I know the governor's priority is still parental choice, school choice. I think that's number one. You already have vouchers here in Hamilton County, so that's kind of out of the equation. We're trying to get it through the rest of the state.
Tennessee House Speaker Cameron Sexton says number 2 in his mind is crime, juvenile crime in particular.
I think that's an issue. Gangs is an issue. I think we're going to continue to focus on protecting victims. We still have to update some of our laws and do some other things to protect victims and protect families and keep our neighborhood safe.
Immigration is also on the agenda, as is continuing to shore up mental health laws, especially when it comes to gun ownership. This in the wake of the Covenant school shooting.
To warn, we did a lot of things that were a problem with the Covenant that should have worked that didn't work, so we fixed those. We're also working on instantaneous background checks. We have a system, but not all the clerks' systems talk to the state system, so we have a backlog of hundreds of thousands of cases that have been adjudicated that should be in there where someone who is a felon shouldn't get guns.
Speaker Sexton says as contentious as things may seem sometimes, especially with frequent protests and demonstrations, Tennessee is not as divided as Washington.
I think at the state level, we have a few who want to bicker and fight, but for the most part, we all want to put forth solutions. And when you see where Tennessee is, how we're a low tax state, low debt state, people are moving here, businesses are moving here, businesses are expanding, we're in a good place. And you see why we're being so successful. It's because of the policies we put forth and what we're doing as a state.